a question. What's this and what's that? Do I do this? Oh no, it's eating it!
Don't worry, Uncle Sam. It's just magnetic slime.
Magnet slime?
Yes, watch this.
Amazing!
Ooh, this is amazing!
Thank you.
I really enjoyed this happy face slime, Eric.
Ooh, ocean slime?
Ooh, look at this shark. That's interesting.
Whoa, there's a treasure box in there. Whoa, look at that fish!
Now this one is artsy. I like it.
Me too.
My slime project turned out really successful. Thank you for helping me. Huh? The slime's eating the magnet?
And it's not over yet.